All right, here we are, August 28th. We are in the home stretch. And I think I may have underestimated these girls. Oh boy. So we're in the home stretch, and you'll see what I see here in a minute. Oh boy. So goldenrod is just starting. They're on it. It's kind of weird. Some of it's blooming and some of it's browning. So I know we lost probably because of the drought we had this summer. Sorry. Things might not be as good. We might not have a real good fall flow. I'm not sure. I'm not seeing it just yet. But I know one thing: the Japanese knotweed that's by my house has not bloomed yet. So I think the goldenrod's early and the knotweed's late. If that makes any sense. So anyways, I have another super for these girls. And just in case, I'm gonna take a peek in here. It's kind of that weird time of year where if you still give them too much space, they don't really fill out your supers. And you get a bunch of half frames. So I'm kind of playing that game. Sorry girls, I'm trying to go slow. But anyways, I'm trying to play the game so that they fill what they have, and I'll see what they need for space down below. But let's take a peek here and let's see what we're up to. But yeah, September's right around the corner. Goldenrod going. So let's take a peek. I think it's been, this is empty. I think it's been a week and a half, probably 10 days, 9 or 10 days, maybe. Not even close to a week and a half. But anyways, yeah, I am, we've had crappy weather the past few days, actually. So we've got room. When you look at the numbers, I get concerned. When I look in the frames, I'm not, so far. I mean, this was pretty full last week, and they're filling these nicely. It's not really dark honey though either. It's a nice golden honey. So wait and see. Probably hasn't kicked yet. Look at that. And that will be done soon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to top super this next one, because I think it's, if I recall correctly, there's only a few frames of drawn. So if they won't really need it, they're gonna have to draw it, but that's a beautiful frame right there. Box is gonna be heavy, I can tell already. But question is, what's underneath? So that's it. Looks good. Looks good, kind of weird, but just keep rolling. So a lot of this is still left over probably from the summer honey. Just hasn't been capped yet. But them having this means I don't have to feed. So, and then I think, like I said, on the under super, the one under this, yeah, that's pretty full. Whoa. Was empty. So, look at my last one. They haven't come all the way out. No, this is empty. So they got room. Okay, what are we doing with the beetles? I honestly don't even get it this year. I don't know if it's, we had a mild winter, but even my strong highs have beetles. Like this one. Yeah, I'm trying to get you, I'm just squishing you. I'm gonna do the ladies a favor and do them a solid and kill you. All right. Very weird. I mean, that's 3 beetles. This is strong hive, so. Anyways, let me put you back together. I'm on my arm for a minute here. Hold on, ladies. Hold on. Oh my God, the propolis. Okay, that's that. Euro coming over here. We'll put the top cover on. On my arm again. Bear with me. We'll get to the bottom one here. Ooh, there's a lot of bees on that inner cover. Nice and easy. All right, nobody's mad. So this is really about, oh my goodness, that's heavy. Yeah. All right, so I am adding the second one, I do believe, just for, so I can sleep at night. Boop. There we go. Oops. All right, so let's take a peek in here, see what we got. And kind of think about space. That's completely open. That's completely open, looking through. So, one. You want to call that two. So we're already 2 outer frames with literally nothing. 3. Yeah, let's say. So, okay, so we're up to 2.5. 2.5 frames. And, oh boy, there's literally nothing in that one. All right, so we're up to 3.5 frames. Come on, slide over, ladies. 4.5. All right, so this pretty much this whole bottom super is still open. So they're probably using whatever is coming in just a little bit. Yeah, okay. I don't need to count anymore. I am going to give them another super for space, but like I said, it's more about space for the bees than it is space for nectar, because I mean, this whole box down here is still open, which is fine. But that's yeah, okay. I don't need to do anymore. All right, that's all open. Oh, there's the roux. So that's it. I'm gonna add the super afterwards. You're not gonna see that because I'm gonna do the bottom one. But that's it. Plenty of room. Starting in September. Like I said, the goldenrod is just, you can see some of it. Some of it's already browning. Some of it's nice and yellow. So that's it. Thank you for watching.